I'm on the way, miss. I found 2 size 8s.
Meh.
How about these?
No.
Oh, okay.
So annoying.
These?
Mm-mm.
These?
Ew. Oh, no way. That's enough.
No, give me another chance.
Ugh.
I have to think of something. And I know just the thing. Plain shoes? That's no problem. A cute scarf can turn things around. Just cut it to size. And what's better than gold bottoms? Gives them an extra little something. Perfection!
I'm bored.
Like these?
Like? Try love? Are they my size?
Oh boy, I've done it.
These are the cutest shoes ever! Thank you! You deserve an extra large tip. Just take it all.
I'm one lucky man. Off to the Bahamas I go!
Wow! This place is super cute! And look at all these shoes! It's like candy! Mine! 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 Just these. Oh. Is this enough?
Oh, $1? It doesn't cover one strap.
Really? That's all I have. But I want them so badly.
Let me see what I can do. I have these from last season.
Cool. Oh! I should probably try them on. I hope they fit. Let's see. So far so good. I don't know about these. Yay! See ya! Ugh. I wish I could go to this. But I have nothing to wear. Oh well. Moving on. What's this thing? A shirt? A dress? A mess? Whatever. Anything else? Huh? What's this? Ugh. Wow. Huh? Phew! Finally! Thank you. Are you a real fairy? Hey! Are you kidding me?
No!
My bad. Oh, sorry. I think you'll like this one. Whoa! This is fabulous! I don't know. It's not quite right. Try this one. Now we're talking. I love it! Phew! What a relief. Have fun at the party. Time to rock out! This place is sick. Wow! It's pretty in here. Oh, hey! Is that my dress? How embarrassing. Oh no. This is not okay. I'll just make it different then. This slip ought to do the trick. It's a totally different color. Hello? Fabric, please. Wait till you see what I do with this. Nobody else will be wearing it. That's for sure. Alright, just a few more tucks. And I'm done.
Oh!
I'm back. Wow, that outfit's so pretty. The color is super cool. Yeah, I thought you'd say that. Let's dance.
Oh, coming!